Hi friends, welcome back to our writing activities. Today our writing lesson I want to start off with just kind of thinking about stories that we've written so far. Every Monday we write a week in news, the things that we've done. We've written a writing from the book I Like My Hair. You've done lots of holiday writings like things you are thankful for and things that we like. One thing that we use in our classroom to kind of help us remember how to spell some of those sight words is our word wall. In fact, I have it right back here. And we have, I'll point to it right here. We've got all of our sight words listed because if we can read them, we can write them. Unfortunately, you don't have a word wall probably on your bedroom wall. So I wanted to share with you something called a digital word wall. So I'm going to share my screen. And this is my digital word wall. And I actually have this linked into your assignment today. And if you look down here, this is the front page, my digital word wall. This is for kindergarten. Notice all of our little friends are on their Chromebook. And if you look down here at the bottom, you're going to see some letters. Well, if I click on A, there are our word wall letters for the letter A. A and R. If I come over here and click on, here's cat, C, then I have the word can and can't. So all of the words that we have up on our word wall in the classroom are now here in our digital word wall. And you, my friends, are going to be able to use them when you are doing your writing. So again, I have this document linked in our Schoology assignment. You guys are able to get onto that digital word wall whenever you want to if you're having trouble spelling a word. The two that I wanted to point out for you today, because they're going to be kind of important, are under this letter I. Here's our word I. You're going to be spelling that one, and of course it's in uppercase. And if I use, here are my little arrows that can toggle over between letters. Here's a light bulb. Here, you know what? I'm so glad I opened it because I can add the word like. Like was the other one that I wanted us to be able to read today. So I'm so glad I opened up that O. Here is that word like. All right, sweet friends. Today I have a story that I want to read to you today called Freight Train. This is written and illustrated by Donald Cruz. Meaning that he did the words and he also made the pictures. And a little bit of history about Donald Cruz is that when he was a little boy, he loved trains. There was a train track that went right by his house. He was super interested in it, did a lot of research, and then as an adult, when he became a writer, he decided to write about something that he was interested in and something that he liked. And so that's something neat. Like as a writer, we can write about things that we like. All right. I'm super excited to read this with you. Oh, one other thing. If you'll notice this little circle right here, it's a flat shape, so it's a circle. This is a Caldecott Honor Book, which means it won an award for the pictures in the story. Freight train. A train runs across this track. Empty page so far. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. A hopper car is a train car with an opening at the bottom for unloading. So all of the stuff that's inside the train car, you can unload it through this opening at the bottom. Kind of cool. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. A gondola car is a train car with low sides and no roof. Purple box car. Absolutely looks like a box. A black tender car. A tender is a train car that carries coal. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. See that pretty picture? Look, it starts at red and goes to purple. Kind of reminds me of the colors of the rainbow. Moving. Oh my goodness, look how it starts to move fast. And look what happens to the colors. They kind of blend together. Going through tunnels. going by cities. Look at all of these buildings in the back. Crossing trestles. Trestles are bridges with these crisscross supports. Yeah. Crossing trusses. Moving in darkness. Look how cool that picture is. Moving in daylight. Going. Going. Gone. All you have left is the smoke from this steam engine. Pretty cool, huh? I want you to share with your partner, turn to your partner and share, what did you find out about freight trains in our story? Hit play when you're ready. All right, so again, Donald Cruise is the author and illustrator of this story. And as a boy, his father worked on the railroad, and his family took trips on trains to visit Donald's grandmother. He became super interested in trains, and when he grew up, he learned more about trains so that he could write the story, Freight Trains. All right, kindergarten friends, as we continue on with our lesson today, I'm going to have you start to think about what's something you're interested in, what's something you like, and how could we write about that today. Thanks for reading along, friends.